laps. Unofficially, our finish, our winner is Jean Theoret in the Beacon Plumbing. Second to Steve David. Third to Mike Allen at the FormulaBoats.com U7. Fourth to FormulaBoats.com U5 with Jeff Bernard. And fifth goes to the U50. Spirit of the Navy. No, I think that was David Bryant. Fifth, and then sixth was the Spirit of the Navy.
Getting out right now.
J. Michael Kelly did not finish. We're going to run down and try to grab Jean Theoret as soon as we can to get an interview with our winning driver of 2008's Thunder on the Ohio.
Mark Allen making his way down to get a word with Jean Theoret and a happy Beacon Plumbing crew. Dynamite race for them, and Theoret gives a fist, hands along the car line. Give a round of applause. There's your winner, Jean Theoret. Last year, Theoret had that 360 in the qualifying. They repaired the motor, but today the checker flag effect on either side came in handy as they get the checkered flag and claim the 30th annual Thunder on the Ohio. The new driver's name will go on the Freedom Festival Trophy as Theoret scores his first ever win